Hello, welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from the 2023 paper 1 and it is worth 3 marks. So it says two prime numbers are multiplied together, so they're multiplied, and the answer is an even number between 50 and 60. So it's got to be between 50 and 60. So we're thinking about 52, 54, 56 or 58. So we've got to complete that calculation. So pause your video and have a go. Okay, let's try and think about some of these prime numbers then. So we've got 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So they're our single digit ones, and then 11. And then we've got 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Now, I'm not going to go too much higher than that because, as soon as we get too high, we're not going to get something that will multiply to make one of these numbers, okay? Because we know they're definitely going to be whole numbers. So let's start with perhaps. I mean, these are all our even numbers. So remember, with even numbers, the number 2 is going to be a factor of all these even numbers, and coincidentally it is also a prime number. So it's quite likely, it's certain actually, that 2 has got to be that prime number. So let's try some of the others out. Well, 52 divided by 2 is 26. So 26 isn't prime, so we know it can't be that. 54 divided by 2 is 27, so we know it can't be that. 56 divided by 2 is 28, that's not prime, so we know it can't be that. But 58 divided by 2 gives us 29, so we know our answer has got to be 29 there for that one. So 2 times 29 has got to be 58 is our final answer. So do take your time on questions like this. Sometimes people rush them and then they maybe only get perhaps either one prime in there, or they don't really think about it carefully enough. Just really take your time, check it before you move on, because this is quite basic stuff and this is halfway through this particular paper as well, so it's not one of those easy questions at the start. You're getting 3 marks from doing some quite basic arithmetic really, so take your time on this. And here is the solution from the exam board to this question.